Identify what type of sampling was used to obtain the sample, and then explain whether or not you think the sample will be representative of the population it was sampled from. And here we have the scenario. Stephanie surveys the first 60 students in the lunch line to determine if students at the school are satisfied with school lunch. Let's begin by getting the type of sample. There are 6 famous types of sampling, and by the looks of that scenario, I'm leaning towards the convenience sample. So here the type of sample would be convenience. So notice how Stephanie's not going out of her way in randomizing the population. It's convenient for her to survey the first 60 students that show up to the line instead of waiting to see what the students in the middle line or at the end of the line think about the lunch. And because of that, I would say that these first 60 students are not representative of the entire population when it comes to the satisfaction with school lunches. So here I'm going to say no. And there's a variety of reasons, but the reasons that I'm going to argue with are the first 60 students are more likely to get the better options, the food that's hot and ready, and maybe there's only a limited amount of items that the first people at the beginning of the line are going to be able to get, as opposed to the people at the end of the line. They might not get those choices. And for this reason, I believe that this sample of 60 students is not representative of the satisfaction with school lunch.